We'll guide you through how to make and force a game to use the GPU instead of the CPU in Windows 11. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful to go and do because on some computers, it may go and use your CPU. Come to the bottom of your computer and go and click on the Windows button like so. Then you want to go up to the top and go and click on Settings. In Settings, you can go over to the left and you need to go into System. In System, go to the top and go and click on Display. And then what you need to do is go and scroll down and you'll go and find the option for Graphics in Related Settings. And you can then go and see your apps and games here. So go and find the game you want to do this with. For example, Minecraft, we can go and click on. Then go and click on Options and you'll see a list of options here. So we've got Let Windows Decide, Power Saving and High Performance. High Performance will usually be the option you want. As you can see, that's my NVIDIA GPU, whereas the Power Saving is my AMD, which is my CPU, sort of integrated GPU. So we want the dedicated one, press Save, and that's it.